Welcome to the bird exploration mission at the Botanic Garden.
We're in our yearly birding outing.
Yeah.
Representing Birds Aren't Real. We're going to test the birds in South Coast Botanic Garden to see if they are real or not.
We've spotted a few up in this tree.
I don't know if you can see it right.
It's about... I don't think you can see it, but you get the point.
At the top of the street, this is our local parakeet. Well, they're not native, but they're here.
Well, let's see where we're taken. What's happening on that golf cart?
That is not a bird.
Hi guys, I like your picture. You should come see me later.
Thank you.
Okay,
Merry Christmas.
What is that? What is that?
Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. This is awful.
Wait a minute.
What is that, Grace?
Oh, Julie?
Oh my god.
I think we found a map.
Oh my god.
Yeah, Julie, I think you know what we have to do.
Oh god. Again.
I think we have to find this here X. But what could it be?
Oh god, I don't know.
We have to start here, and we have to make it here.
All right,
Let's get going.
let's begin. Team bird couple.
Global warming.
Looks like we're going off roading now.
Yay!
Oh lord. Oh no. Oh no. There's a corpse near.
Well, I guess we can look around and see if we see body parts or robot parts.
Wow, what a beaut.
Who do you think lives in this thing?
Probably Jim.
Man, we sure are tuckered out after walking for miles. Let's take a little nap in this here meadow.
Lay down.
Yeah, let's just lay down and get cozy.
Oh, good.
That looks-
This is cozy.
That looks nice.
Don't forget your hydration breaks.
Oh, I didn't bring water.
Oh fuck, she's gonna die.
All right, well, by the daylight, it seems like we've been walking for about 2 hours now. And I'm thinking we're right about here.
All right.
So let's keep going. This here is a jacaranda tree. And you can tell, because the way it is.
Look at here. We found a butterfly.
Oh,
Yee,
This
doggy. Wow.
wow, look at it. Oh, wait. That's not marked. Wait.
What is it?
Yes, it is.
Well, we're having some difficulty finding the birds
Where are the
tonight.
birds?
God, every year we find birds, but this year, what is happening?
I don't know what this means, but I do know it's not good.
We're on our way to the X.
Yeah, we're still just gonna focus on this mission, and it seems like God has called us onto a different path today.
Yeah.
So
God told us cardio.
yeah, we are hiking out here.
We could hear them. We sure hear them.
Where are they?
Where?
They're coming.
Where are they? I hear something in the bush. I'm scared, Grace.
Where are they? Oh. There. This camera's amazing.
we have found some.
Which one is it?
I fear that these are the big security cameras straight to the government.
Oh, yes, I think you're right. They are rowdy.
Oh my god. They're communicating with intel.
Wow, would you look at that?
They're deafening. They are deafening.
Well, we're gonna have to report this back to headquarters. This just ain't right. This just ain't right.
That it?
Is it working?
Is this thing on? Oh fuck, okay. Okay.
This way. I think we might need some help.
Oh fuck.
Oh, we're going. We're live. Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
We
Ranger Rick
found
here.
this map.
Uh-huh. Wow.
Do you recognize this map?
I do.
What could
Legend.
be waiting for us at this X?
Legends say that a child, a mom and her newborn infant got lost on their way to the garden. The mom made it out, but the child didn't.
So this is not gonna be a good surprise.
Her body was never found to this day. But legends say that you can see a baby crawling towards you on the road at a certain time of the night. You hear her cries, but all you see is her dangling umbilical cord.
Okay, sir.
Crawling into the bushes. But yeah, anyways, good luck, guys.
Oh, thank you.
Best of luck.
Well, we have not had success as of now.
We've been here for about 5 hours. Tried to follow this really detailed and specific map
Very detailed.
of where to go and just could not find. What is that, Julie?
Oh no.
Help me, mommy!
Hey, wait! Get the It's behind the scenes. Get that out of here. Get that out of here.
The map.